Hey, good morning guys. So today I am taking the team out to the beach for just a day of team building and bonding because I'm a huge believer in that kind of thing. And plus I think it's going to be the first time we all like hung out together, so I'm really excited. Let's get this show on the road. You know, real quick, I just gotta say, I have been incredibly blessed with such a talented, bright, positive group of individuals, and just the way they like support and encourage each other. It's pretty freaking inspiring, and again, I'm just super privileged to be a part of it all. That's all.
Kristen lives in a week. So what are we doing?
Perfect. We're taking another shot for Kristen.
Kristen, no!
We can't leave.
Don't live, Kristen.
Oh, no, come on, Chris. You know you don't want a little piece of this because I think. And I don't know what to think because I'm just doing this now and I don't know what I'm seeing. That doesn't make sense. With the kicks, Kung Fu Master because he's crazy. Interest rate, you might want to look into this hood. I mean, feel this Cali weather. I know you want to move to the west side. That's
Where HOA fees are really high.